Community link, getting started in your back office, dashboard and app setup. When you first log into your back office, you arrive at your dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll find the statistics timeline, where you can view stats on screen views, forms sent, and unique viewers. These stats can be viewed in groups of 6 days, weeks, or months in the timeline chart. In the top right, you'll find helpful information about your service, such as upgrade information, news, and how-to videos, like the workshop videos seen here. Just below the statistics timeline, you'll find detailed statistics. Simply select your app and the desired time frame to view your statistics. On the left, you'll find the App Info panel. Here you'll find information such as the number of times your app has been loaded and the number of screens viewed. Next to the App Info panel, you'll find App Statistics, where you'll find more details on how consumers have gained access to your app. A bit lower on the screen, you'll find links that chart more statistics about your app, such as view types, distribution types, media types, deliverables, sources, and video views. A little further down the screen, you'll find user experience reporting. This gives anonymous click-by-click reports of what a viewer experienced within your app. Simply select the time frame from the drop-down box and the report appears below. Provide a distribution code from a distribution strategy for a report on views that match that code. User experience reporting can be an effective tool in determining what aspects of your app consumers spend the most time in. There are a few simple steps to get your app up and running. Let's walk through them now. Click on My Apps in the main menu at the top. This screen is broken into two main parts. The first is the App Management panel on the left, where you can manage different aspects of your apps. To get started, select the desired app from the drop-down box at the top. The App Management panel provides access to various settings and information about your app, as well as your preview area. An app that is not active will not load when a QR code is scanned. In this case, the QR code will actually lead the viewer to your default app. The Strategies icon opens the second half of the screen, the Distribution Strategies Manager. This area is where you manage your distribution strategies and their sources. The QR code provides a quick and easy way for you to load your mobile app when scanned with the genApp mobile framework. To create a new distribution strategy, click the Add New Distribution Strategy button at the top of the Distribution Strategy Manager and select an option. This opens the Distribution Editor, where you can manage multiple aspects of the distribution creation process. Making sure the distributed is selected from the list of strategy options on the left, select Business Card from the Media Type panel in the center, then give the deliverable a name. Next, you can assign a source for the deliverable from the Company Sources panel on the right. If the source you're looking for is not there, you can click the plus icon in the top right corner to select from your list of employees. The alert settings you save for this source are source-specific, meaning whatever you set for the source will affect all the QR codes for that source regardless of how long they've been in the field. Once you have an option selected in all three areas and your deliverable named, you can save your new distribution strategy. But before saving, we can set up some additional notifications other than the source. The first is a text message notification that we add by typing in the phone number, selecting the mobile provider, and clicking the Add to Notifications button. A second notification can be added by typing in an email address after the text message address, separated by a comma. Notifications are QR code specific, meaning the notifications will be sent to the address tied to the QR code at the time of the scan. Click the Add New Distribution Strategy button to save your new strategy. When the Media Type and Company Sources panel reset, your distribution strategy's been saved. Click the Close Editor button at the bottom to close the distribution editor and see your new strategy. From here, new sources can be added to each deliverable, and you can update the alert status, as well as manage the QR code settings for each source. First, set the size you wish the QR code to be. The image does not always reflect the actual size once saved. Next, you can set the distribution code, useful when you want to track viewing within a large distribution or for an individual. New QR codes, as well as old ones already in the field, will send notifications to the address tied to the source's QR code at the time of the scan. Alert type is the source alert type, and when changed, it affects all the QR codes for that source that are currently in the field. Landing screen allows you to select the screen within your app you want to load when the QR code is scanned by the viewer. View type allows you to select if the QR code will work in public or member mode. In member mode, the viewing of your app is not tracked. Click the Update button to update the QR code and URL with your changes. The Copy to Clipboard button will allow you to use your URL in messaging such as email, social media, and texts, allowing people to view your mobile app in a web browser outside of the genApp mobile framework. Clicking on the QR code will download it to your computer for use in printed ads, social media posts, business cards, or even emails. The Open in New Window button will open your app based on the QR code settings. Outside of the genApp mobile framework, your app will open with your company name at the top and some information about genApp to let the consumer know you care about their privacy and data protection. The viewer can choose to download genApp to view your app or view it without the safety of the genApp mobile framework in a web browser. This is what your app should look like. It's a warning message to let you know that you need to create an engagement offer in your back office. Let's do that now. Making sure you have the correct app selected in the drop-down box at the top, click Configure App in the App Management panel. In the app configuration screen, click on Special Offers on the left side of the screen. An engagement offer is an offer that consumers can only use once a year and is an offer for 50% off or better. Each business has to create one engagement offer which is only made available to consumers who purchase the Consumer Engaged app. It could be a buy one get one free offer or even an offer for a free consultation. Fill in the information to create your offer, making note not to include the $ in the retail value or the % sign in the % off field. Once you have completed the form, click the Add Offer button to save your engagement offer. Though your engagement offer is managed by the system, you can make updates and changes to your engagement offer at any time, though you will have to honor the offers saved by consumers before your update. Your app is now available to the public. Click on the Open in New Window link in the App Management panel to view your new app. You can actually view what your app would look like as a mobile app right inside your web browser. To do so, simply open the developer tools in your browser, the F12 key in Chrome. This button will toggle mobile view on and off. And this button allows you to select the device type to view from. Your engagement offer now appears in your mobile app for consumers to save to their wallet. While your app may not have all the content you want in it, you've gotten a great start. Congratulations! Check out other video workshops to learn more about app management and configuration. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest news and information, and don't forget to enable notifications. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video workshop helpful.